This recipe is special to me because it reminds me of my mom and my dad cooking me dinners whenever I'd come home from school. I remember my mom would kind of make this. It would take her time to make it, but it also, I think it added to that whole idea that like it was made from love. It just always tasted so good. So the kitchen is my mom's domain. Whenever she's hanging out or watching TV, she'll do it from the kitchen. Even though this dish is like really easy to make and doesn't take that long, she will make it hours and hours just because she likes to take her time with the chicken. Maybe she'll have some stylistics or cascades or some like Earth, Wind, and Fire music in the back. She'll make a party out of it. My mom making it, it was her thing, and I'm very lucky that she's passed it down to me. Thank you for watching. Be sure to pick up your chicken adobo meal kit at your local Giant Eagle or Market District.